car chair will be paid in full. The Scooter Store.
Did you dump out all your yogurt?
Experts in getting you the scooter power tool you need.
Can you take a scoop off your tray?
You for Medicare reimbursement, and Medicare denies your claim. We'll give you your new power chair or scooter free.
I didn't pay a penny out of pocket for my policy. With help from the Scooter Store, Medicare and my insurance cover it all.
Call the Scooter Store for free information today.
Call 1-800-313-1565.
Now you're all dirty.
1-800-313-1565.
Tatum. Baby, what'd you do? Good job. Good use of the spoon. Yeah. Whoa, whoa, whoa. It's flying everywhere. There's yogurt going everywhere. Okay, we should probably wash you. Here's your spoon. All done? All done? Yummy. Uh-huh.
Coast Guard video of it now. Authorities are zeroing in on a 31-foot vessel. It looks like a cross between a submarine and a cigarette boat. 4 Colombian crew members were taken into custody. They claim to be fishermen forced by drug cartels.